Hello guys, today is April 24th, 2022. Now I'm in the Metropolitan Plaza. It's a shopping center. And today I'm gonna exploring the Ikebukuro station. The Ikebukuro station is one of the biggest stations in Tokyo, you know? Like it's like Shibuya Station, Shinjuku Station. So today I'm gonna stroll around the Ikebukuro station. What's going on here? So that is the Lumine shopping center, and they're having the market outside. Let me take a look at the name of the market. The gift. Thanks Mom pop-up store. Yeah, Mother's Day is coming, so they are having the pop-up store here. And there are some events as well. I mean pop-up store. They are selling the bread. They are selling the leather item, I think. Yeah, Tokyo leather goods. And shoes. Very good price shoes. Wow, another store here. There are so many character goods store. Maybe people know this character, Kirby. Kirby pop-up store. Wow, another one, Doraemon. Look at that, this one is so cute. Ain't like $8, not very expensive for the handkerchief. This is a kiosk convenience store, and the gate of the station, JR line. Mini croissant store. Wow, look at that. It smells very good. Smells so good. And beautiful tiny flower shop. And this is the Seibu Ikebukuro line. It's this way. If you go down here, you're gonna reach to the gate of the Seibu Ikebukuro line. And Seibu department store. This is the ground floor. No, basement. Basement first floor. Also on the another side. Let's go up here. Today I don't go out, but stroll around in the Ikebukuro station. Maybe I go through here. Here is a part of the Seibu department store. Alright, this is the gate of the Ikebukuro line. It's so lively and complicated exits of the station. This is the east exit, and here also Seibu department store. Now I even not sure where I'm walking. I know this is in the Ikebukuro station, but it's too complicated. And look at that, it's so crowded. So many people are coming this way. Alright, this is the way to the east exit. But I just saw another east exit as well. Alright, let me show you. This is the gate of the Marunouchi line. Marunouchi line is the subway. I already showed you the gate of the JR Yamanote line and Seibu Ikebukuro line, and now Marunouchi line. And another gate of the Yamanote line. I found an anime goods store. I don't know what anime this is. Another pop-up store of Ichigo Daisuku, strawberry daisuku. It's kind of the traditional Japanese sweets. Look at that. It looks so good. Alright, I found another exit. This is to the west exit. Alright. And now I found another entrance of the station. I mean, yeah, this is the gate of the Tobu line. This is the fourth line, which I found. I found the JR Yamanote line, and Seibu Ikebukuro line, Marunouchi line, and the Tobu line. So, you know, on the east side, there is a Seibu line. Sei of the Seibu means the east, no, west. So on the west side, there is a Seibu line. No, this is wrong. I'm wrong. I just found the exit of the west. I just found the west exit, but I found the Tobu line. So meaning that on the east side of the station, there is the Seibu Ikebukuro line. But on the west of the station, there is the Tobu line. That's so confusing for me. Alright, this is another line of the subway, Fukutoshin line. This is the way to the Fukutoshin line subway. I don't know if I should go. But let's take a look. Let's explore a little bit. Yes, this is the gate of the Fukutoshin Line subway. There are 5 lines I've seen in Ikebukuro station today. Famous chocolate shop, Links, and socks shop, sock store, accessory store, and a shoe store. Wow, I've never seen this street. Cosmetics, many cosmetics for the ladies and accessories as well. Alright, this is the doll store. Fortune telling. Alright, nothing special anymore. Alright, now I'm outside of the station. Okay, so I wish you enjoy my video of the strolling in the Ikebukuro station. It's very complicated, but there are so many shops and it's fun. So hit the like button and subscribe, and hope you have a nice day and see you in the next video. Alright, see you, bye everyone.